Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you buy like a pro and avoid buyer's remorse like it's the plague. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam mops. And no, we're not talking about that time your aunt tried to clean the family portrait with a mop. We've got the PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mop on my left and the Neugo steam mop on my right. Let's see which one will steamroll the competition and which one will leave you in a puddle of regret. First up, let's talk about price. The PurSteam is priced at $99, making it a wallet-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its overall performance and value for money, noting it's a great choice for budget-conscious shoppers. On the other hand, Neugo comes in at $119. While it's a bit pricier, users have praised its versatility and additional accessories. So if you're a savvy shopper, PurSteam is your go-to for affordability, while Neugo is the more premium option with extra features. Next, let's talk steam power. The PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, which is a big plus according to reviewers who love its quick readiness for cleaning. However, Neugo's 1200W steam mop reaches a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for deep cleaning tough stains. Users have highlighted Neugo's superior steam power for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, so if you're looking for serious steam action, Neugo might have the edge. Now, both mops transform into handheld steamers. PurSteam is lightweight, making it easy to use on clothes and upholstery, which reviewers have found effective for various surfaces. Meanwhile, Neugo comes with 10 accessories, allowing for extensive cleaning options. Users appreciate Neugo's versatility, especially for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. So if you want a handy steamer for multiple tasks, both options deliver, but Neugo offers more tools for the job. Let's talk about maneuverability. PurSteam is light and has a swiveling mop head, making it easy to navigate under furniture. Reviewers have commented on its ease of use in tight spaces. Neugo, however, features adjustable height, which is perfect for those who want to avoid bending down too much. Users love this feature for making cleaning more comfortable, so if you prioritize convenience, Neugo might be your best bet. Lastly, let's discuss the cord and water tank. Neugo has a 23-foot cord, which users find convenient for larger spaces, reducing the need to unplug frequently. Its removable 15.2 ounces water tank is also praised for ease of filling. PurSteam, while smaller in water tank size, still performs well according to many reviews. However, some users have mentioned the short cord as a drawback. If you need a longer reach, Neugo is the way to go. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths. PurSteam is favored for its affordability and ease of use, while Neugo is appreciated for its power and versatility. Customers from both sides are generally satisfied, but each has its unique advantages. So who's the winner? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that heats up fast and is easy to handle, PurSteam is your go-to. But if you want serious steam power and a toolbox of accessories that even Batman would envy, Neugo is your best friend. Remember, whether you choose PurSteam or Neugo, just don't forget to clean your floors. Because nobody wants to slip on a rogue potato chip or have their dog slide across the floor like it's an Olympic event. If you enjoyed today's showdown, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay squeaky clean.